Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cooking Diaries. Today I am going to show you how to make Mysore Bhaji, also known as Mysore Bonda. It's a very popular South Indian tea time snack item and it can be made very easily. So without further delay, let's get started. To make Mysore Bhajis, we would need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of regular yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of chopped curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. For our first step, to a bigger bowl, I will add the yogurt and I will also add our salt and baking soda to it and give it a good whisk until everything is mixed well. The yogurt would become frothy and it would have a lot of these air bubbles. This would help us our batter ferment well to make our bhajis. Now to this I am going to add the all-purpose flour and gently mix the batter. If it looks thick like this, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of water and try to mix it in to make it a little bit thinner. But don't add too much of water. Once the batter looks like a paste, something like this, now we need to beat the batter for about 5 minutes. So spread your fingers and try to beat it. After beating it for a couple minutes, it would become stretchy like this. Continue beating for a couple more minutes. Now after beating it for 5 minutes, you will see that the batter would come to this nice elastic stringy consistency. This is what we want. Now we are going to rest this batter for about 4 hours. So try to clean the edges and cover it with a plate and put it in a nice and warm place to rest for about 4 hours. While our batter is resting, let's go ahead and make a quick chutney that goes excellent with our Mysore bhajis. Here I have a cup of desiccated coconut, 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpeas, that is dalia or also known as puthanis, half a teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, a small piece of tamarind, this is about 20 grams. For our first step, I am going to soak tamarind in a little bit of hot water for a few minutes. Then we are going to make chutney by grinding all of these things into a fine paste. And to temper our chutney, we would need a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, couple dried red chilies and some curry leaves. Now for tempering, add a couple tablespoons of oil to the pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil heats up, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds and saute it for a few seconds until they splutter. Once they start to splutter, add the dry red chilies and the curry leaves and saute for a few more seconds. Add the tempering to the chutney. And after 4 hours of resting, we have our dough. Let's add the cumin seeds, chopped green chili, chopped ginger. You could also add fresh coconut pieces or freshly grated coconut to this, and that adds amazing flavor and taste to the batter. Next we are going to add some curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Now again, same thing like how we mixed the batter before, having your fingers wide open, try to beat and mix all of this into the batter. Alright, there we have it. Our batter is ready, guys. Now let's go ahead and fry our Mysore bhajis. So here I have a pan with oil on high heat to fry our Mysore bhajis. Once the oil is nice and hot, dip your hand in the water and take some batter into your palm and press it from the side so that it comes like a ball from here and drop it into the oil. They will puff up and come on top of oil like balloons. If dropping like this is becoming difficult for you, you can also just drop them like small dumplings like this. They might not come in exact round shape, but they will still be very tasty and delicious. Now fry them on medium-high heat until they get a nice golden brown color on all sides. Once they get a beautiful golden color like this, take them out and put them on a paper towel to drain out any excess oil. Alright, it's time for a taste test, guys. These Mysore bhajis have soft texture and they have this amazing flavor. They are excellent snacks to enjoy with a cup of tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I can see you in another video. Until then, bye.